Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Robuilder YouTube channel. Today we have something absolutely incredible, and it's gonna help myself and a lot of you guys. So a few days ago, Bloxy News put out this tweet saying get started with learning how to assemble modular environments with a newly released modern city template available now in open source. If we check this out, there's actually some really cool stuff. So first things first, this is a fully open sourced modular city building pack, which means you can use anything from this project within your project. In fact, some of these buildings might even go into the dream game with a little bit of editing, of course. Now, if we look around, I do want to show you guys some of the very cool stuff and tactics they're using in this project. And I want to start with the lights, guys. Yes, the lights. Something so small, but something so important. So if we go to this bulb, we can see they have this beam right here. And this beam is what makes it look like there's actually light rays coming down off of the light. Having beams on all of your lights looks absolutely incredible, guys. Another thing that I thought was super cool that they did in this pack is look at the windows. It looks like some of them have lights on, but it's just like a little piece in front of it. Is it this? Yeah, window light fake. Now check this out. They just put this little gradient. It is a beam, and they use this on the windows to make it look like lights are on. Such a cool tactic. Now there's a bunch of other stuff used within this like showcase, I guess you could call it, that's really cool and that we can all learn from. But if you don't really want to learn how to make all of this stuff, well, that's okay, because this is a city template. Check this out. Modular building kit this way. And if we go over here, we have all of the buildings, so you can edit these however you want, set them up however you want, and make a pretty cool city. And then you can even create your own buildings with this modular building kit, and then you can change the materials and all that kind of stuff to make this as crazy or however looking you want. Right here, we have some material variants and some surface appearance stuff. Appearance? Nice, Austin. It's appearance. Nice. And then we have some textures for the roads, for the walls, all that kind of stuff. Some decals. Over here, we just have some extras. These are all building add-ons like, I forgot what these are called, little balconies, I think. Then we have some doors, some air conditioning units, the top thing that goes on top of a building, some steps, this thing, which I also don't exactly know. I think it'd be like a balcony variation, I guess. We got a fire escape, this big billboard thing, and then some props for the roads, or I guess parks, or literally anywhere. Beams on all of the lights, though, definitely bring so much life into this kit. But guys, this thing's fully open source. I'll have a link to it down below in the description. There's some very nice stuff being used here that you can use in your own games as well. In fact, I'm gonna click play and kind of check this out in game. Loads in very fast. That's nice. Can we drive the car? Oh my, guys, we can even, like, if you want to make a racing game, boom, you have an open sourced car you can use. That's pretty cool. Okay, we don't want to go like fully out, so let's go back into the city. Did it get rid of my head? Why? All right, guys, I'm now bald builder, but that is a-okay. Look how nice this looks. If you compare this city template to, say, like the suburbs template that Roblox released a while back, it's night and day. You can really see how much the platform is evolving, and it makes me super excited for the future. Oh, I gotta check out these trees. I feel like realistic trees are something so hard to get right. They're usually like you could see all the planes, and you can on some of these, but this looks so good. The flowers, man. Oh my gosh. It does look really good. And the fact that it's open sourced and free, ooh, that's even better. Now, I do want to check something, because this template was not made by Roblox. It was made by a group called Alpha Strike Group, and I'm pretty sure that's the group that made, yes, this, which I've made a video on in the past saying it was super cool. And how did they make this? This is also editable. I don't know if that means it's open sourced or not. I would assume so. But this is another very crazy thing. It's not really a building kit or anything, but how is this open sourced, I guess is what I'm saying. So if we click edit and load into this place, which does take a little bit longer to load, but it is an insane build. And I've showed this off in a video in the past. I don't know how it's open sourced. Like, it's at least open to edit. I don't know if you can publish games with this one, but bro, there's so much cool stuff, a lot of awesome particle effects, and a lot of cool techniques used for a lot of different stuff. Lighting and beams, these guys are killers with. Look at this reflective floor. Beautiful. My favorite part of this whole build is the alien plant room. I gotta find that again. Okay, here's a small version. This is just a fish tank, but it still looks awesome. Here it is, guys. This right here looks absolutely incredible, and back when I made my video, this was still my favorite part of this build. It's just crazy that this is on a Roblox game. Now, there are some other things that you can edit within this group. I don't know if those are open sourced or if we're supposed to be able to edit them or if they're supposed to be used in other people's games. So definitely, if you're making something public, make sure you're sticking to the actual open sourced modular building kit, because I don't want any of you guys to get in trouble. Now, one thing that you will need to do if you take all of this stuff and you put it into a different project, make sure you copy the material variants, because if you don't, some of your stuff's just not going to load. All you'll do is shift click all of these, Control C, and then Control V into whatever project you're working. But guys, I do think that is gonna wrap it up for today. I had to show you guys this amazing kit, and I can't wait to see what you guys build with it. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.